Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being here to watch and listen our explanation about deep culture structures in course intercultural interfaith communication. And here we will explain about the deep cultural structures. And before that, we will introduce our groups. The first member, my name is Adam Ali Muhammad, and the second is Murshidan Afdullah, and the third one is Abian. And here I will explain about the historic culture of the origin. The first point is brief history of the culture of the Javanese ethnics. The Javanese are the largest Austronesian ethnic group in Indonesia, originating of Central Java, East Java, and special region of Yogyakarta. With over 100 million people, the Javanese are the largest ethnic group in Indonesia and in Southeast Asia as a whole. Their native language is Javanese. It means the native language from Javanese is the Javanese language, which is the largest Austronesian language in terms of the number of native speakers and also largest regional language in Southeast Asia. As the largest ethnic group in the region, the Javanese have historically dominated the social. It means the society is dominated in historically of the Javanese. And the second one is political, and the third one is cultural landscape of Indonesia and Southeast Asia. And the second point is native society, and the native society is such as Central Java, East Java, and special region of Yogyakarta. And the third point is prominent local cultural values in Java. The first is batik. Yes, the batik is a most popular textile art with typical motifs. It means batik is the most popular textile art with typical motifs, and batik is a symbol of Javanese culture that is recognized by UNESCO and intangible cultural heritage. Each batik motif has its own meaning and philosophy. And the second one is wayang kulit. Wayang kulit is the shadow theater skin show that uses leather puppets. Wayang kulit is one of the most revered traditional performing art forms. The stories performed are often from the epic Mahabharata and Ramayana. And the last one is and the fourth is the influencing religious values. Javanese tribal has a long history with the spread of the religion, especially in Islam, which is marked by the Wali Songo who spread Islam in the island of Java. With various religious practices that are acculturated with the Javanese culture, so that they can be well received to the society in Java, such as gamelan, sekaten, and marti dusun. And that's all from me. And the next point will explain to our brother Abian. Time is yours.
Thank you to Brother Adam for the explanation. The next one is cultural identity of the members. The typical Javanese dialect, accent, and character with a murdered Javanese language and has a smooth and friendly manners, which is a legacy of the ancestors. Javanese accent that has level in pronunciation that are gathered and age appropriate to who they are speaking to. Kalpingoko, Kromo, Kromo Injil Javanese. Next one is stereotype or labeling that is often targeted to the local culture. The most prominent stereotypes are friendly and smiling. Furthermore, he is known as a trader, characterized by the number of traders and market in each region that still maintain traditional markets. As for what is rampant and become a stereotype that is only underestimated by most people is poor and village because it is still too traditional. Family roles in sharing cultural values and norms. The roles of extended family toward its member. The role of the extended family to its family members mostly occurs in Javanese tribes is giving various unwritten roles to their children with the aim of maintaining family honors, such as being a social society and not being alone, respecting everyone who honor us, whether older or younger. Division of role for men and women. In today's era, because it is modern and recognizes gender equality, so there is no division between men and women. But in adab and ethic, a woman or wife or daughter must obey her father as a guardian until she is married, and focus on the household when married, even if the husband or wife has a permanent job. The husband is obligated to earn a living. In the past, there was such a thing as women only living in the kitchen and taking care of children. Because that statement did not support a woman's freedom, therefore the culture changed and allowed women not only in the kitchen and taking care of children, but working and studying as high as possible. And the next point we explain to our brother Murshidan. Time is yours.
Thank you to our brother Abian for the explanation. The next point is Javanese culture is a culture that respect and always appreciate the struggle of parents. Therefore, family will take care of each other even if one of the family member is migrating. We still give each other news, especially to parents, which will always be taken care of because they have fought for their children still first. What culture values do parents pass on their children? The culture values that parents teach their children in general are always respecting and loving others and maintaining attitudes wherever they are. In general, parents in the Japanese teach openness to their children. Whatever the problem is, the family will definitely have as a big difficult as the problem is help each other when they are in trouble, teaching humble attitude and not being arrogant with the abasement because all the children will be the same in the eyes their parents. How about family size? In Japanese culture, in general, the size of the family will always be united from generation to generation, commonly referred to as the family bridge, uh, which as last one year together to meet and become an annual family event, usually the moment of it. That's all from me, and the conclusion with explanation to our brother Adam. Time is yours.
And the conclusion from this explanation about the deep culture structures of Javanese ethnics or Javanese culture is Javanese ethnics has the largest Austronesian ethnic groups in Indonesia, and the most prominent local cultural values is the batik, wayang kulit, and each other. And the family roles in sharing cultural values and norm from family, from the parents to the member of the family or the children, is have own norms or have own the rules from their family, such as the role of extended family to his family members mostly occurs in Japanese tribal is giving various unwritten rules to their children with the aim of maintaining family honor, such as being a social society and not being alone. It means the Japanese culture is teach to them generation to be the social generation in their village or in their place. Maybe that's all from our group. Thank you for your nice attention, and maybe this explanation will give you more understanding about deep culture structures in Javanese culture or in Japanese ethnics. Maybe justice from us. Thank you for nice attention. Thank you for your nice attention. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.